The next step is to add the mounting hardware onto the back side of the frame. There are several options for mounting this to the wall, but I chose to go with keyhole brackets for a nice flush mount. I'll start by measuring the distance from the top of the frame and then from each edge to get an idea of where the brackets would sit. The most important thing to keep in mind is to make sure that each bracket is the same distance from the top edge. This will ensure that it's level when installed onto your wall. After that, you can trace out the shape of the keyhole and cut it using a hand router. You can use a router jig if needed, but since this is on the back side, I chose to freehand it, making sure to stay as close to the line as possible. Keep in mind we will be cutting 2 different depths for this installation since the keyhole bracket needs room for the head of the screw to sit. The first pass will cut the full shape of the keyhole bracket about 1/4 inch deep. This cut will support the shoulder of the bracket while we make a deeper cut in the center to allow room for the screw head. I'll make a mark in the very center of the keyhole bracket and repeat this process for the other side. Now we can make a deeper cut in the center of the recess to allow for the screw head, making sure to leave about an 1/8 inch shoulder on each side. This will support the bracket while giving enough room for the screw head during installation. Now we can insert the keyhole hardware into the slot and install using a wood screw. You can find this hardware at most local hardware or craft stores if you're interested in this method for your installation.